What's up, my beautiful people? It is Avi, and I'm back again with another video. This time, I am using the Arteza sketchbook. It has 110-pound cold press paper, and I am using the Faber-Castell watercolor pencils. And then I decided to go ahead and ink the drawing with new Pilot Precise V5 black ink pens. They're premium rolling ball ink pen, supposedly just for writing and office work, but I typically love a good steel tip pen, whether it's fixed or rolling point. So this is the inking process, just outlining the word Umoja, which this is the first day of Kwanzaa. So Kwanzaa is typically celebrated the day after Christmas through the beginning of the new year, and Kwanzaa has 7 principles or 7 days, which are called the Nguzo Saba, and like I said, first day of Kwanzaa is Umoja, which means unity, and that is in Swahili. So I really wasn't sure what to think about these ink pens, and like I said, these are the Pilot Precise V5 premium rolling ball fine tip black ink pens. They're super fine. I think 0.5 millimeter extra fine pens. And so this is cold press paper in the Arteza sketchbook, which typically cold press paper has a rough surface. And so the pens, worked fairly well. I'm just making black shadows around the letters, filling them in almost bubble style, graffiti style. And this would not be my first choice to fill in the black shadows or almost just a shaded area, because it is such a fine point. I would typically go with a larger tip pen to do that, and especially not on the rough, crinkly, craggly cold press paper. Well, I would say it's not the best for this type of exercise or this type of use. I would definitely use these for cross-hatching, line work, if you're cartooning, if you're doing comics and you want to get a nice fine black line. These would be optimal, especially on a Bristol paper or a hot press paper where the surface is much more smooth. The black is tremendously deep. It didn't bleed. It didn't come up when I touched it. I haven't put a watercolor wash over them yet. That will be my next experiment. But it definitely, I didn't get any weird sort of smudging. So I would give them a 9, almost a 10, only because I'm probably using them on the wrong paper. So once I give it a shot on a smoother surface, I'll talk about them again. And just enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. This is day 1 of Kwanzaa. This is Umoja, which means unity. Please remember to comment, like, share, and let me know if you have used these pens before. If you want me to review other pens, please also remember to subscribe and encourage your friends and family to subscribe. Share on all your social media or wherever you share your videos to. Thanks for watching, and happy Kwanzaa.